Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Will. In this video, I'm just going to show you guys how you can do, estimate a regression model using RealStatistics. So I've got a little bit of data here. I've got some weight of some people, their age and their height. Okay. It would be interesting to know how the age and the weight affects a person's height. We should expect to see that there's some relationship between these two here, right? Because obviously a child is going to be not as tall and not weigh as much as someone who's older. So there's probably some relationship here because these two are moving together. And there's some causal relationship here. So let's have a look. So if you go up to add-ins and go to RealStatistics, go to data analysis tools, into regression, select multiple linear regression, then you'll be given this menu option here, right? The first thing you've got to select is your X variable. Okay, it doesn't have to be a single X variable. It can be multiple X variables. But as long as it's got the same length as your Y variable, it should work. So for my first model, I just want to estimate age on height. So let's select age first. There we go. And next we're going to select the height. So cool. I want to make sure that column headings are included with the data, right? I want to know what my variables are. Yes, I want to include a constant term in my regression model. If I don't include a constant term, my estimates are going to be biased. So I definitely want that constant term. You can select the kind of standard error, depending on if you think the errors are normally distributed or not. But for our purposes, we're just going to leave it with no robust errors. So the last thing here, and obviously there's a bunch of tests and stuff that can be run alongside the regression model here. So that's what this is here. But we just want the regression analysis, so just make sure this is selected. So the last bit here is where I want the output to go to. So I'm going to put it on G2. Okay, so somewhere over here. Just wait for it to load. So cool. Here we go here. Some important features to have a look at in any regression model. You've got your R² value here, right? Your ANOVA table appears above your regression model values. You can play around with alpha, just like when just like in the t-test that you can also perform. There's an F statistic p-value just to tell you if the regression model overall worked. And yeah, here's the most important things though. The first one is the intercept, right? And then we've also got the coefficient for age. Okay. The other important thing to have a look at is the p-values and whether or not they're greater than or less than what you've set as alpha. Okay, so obviously with these ones here, they're less than alpha. So we say that age and the intercept are both significant. And that in conjunction with the f-stat being quite small, we would say this is a successful regression model, right? But we don't have to just regress one variable using real statistics. We can also regress multiple variables, which is relatively easy to do. If we go back to regression, multiple linear regression, the X range, let's select weight and age. I think we actually have to select like this. And then select our Y variable. Cool. G23, awesome. That looks like where I want it. I'm gonna hit OK and just wait for it to load again. Then it'll perform the same regression model, just that now we'll have two independent variables. We'll have age and weight instead of just age. Awesome. Cool, let's go down here. Yep, it appears as though both weight and age are significant. So they've both got pretty significant p-values there. And they both have like positive coefficients. So okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.